Good morning, gentlemen.
Good morning.
We have Bill Anthony here and Chris Cohn with the Shop Talk. Well, I see that you gentlemen have been at it again. You've been tearing the labs apart. A lot of great parts here. A lot of good things going to be hitting the market. And I'm excited that Bill, you and Chris can be able to share this with all the folks out, all the customers out there that's going to see the video, as well as the people here in production and manufacturing. So
The mad scientist has been at it again.
I gotta hand it to Bill. Bill is really done well with patent, doing some patents on some parts. And Bill's been in the industry for many years, and everybody looks up to Bill. He carries the name well, and we're very, very fortunate to have him on our team, as well as you, Chris. So anyway, excited. I'm not going to bore you to death here. Bill, you want to start out? Maybe start with the Hercules Ring. I'm very impressed with that.
Well, the Hercules Ring is something that I thought about because of the reverse clutch hub on the 4R100s. What happens is, over a period of time, the rear planet is pushing on the snap ring, and it eventually pops the snap ring out, which allows the planet to come up and then flare open the clutch hub. Now, what's going to happen by installing the Hercules Ring bolts directly to the reverse clutch hub. And the way we've got it spaced is the 6 set screws will take the strain off the snap ring, so the planet, when it's moving forwards or backwards, depending on what direction it's going, will not push on the set screws. Plus, you're dealing with a 3/8 piece of hardened steel that will not allow the reverse clutch hub to flare open and allow the planet to come open and have unit failure.
So it's significantly reinforced the top side of that stamp steel clutch hub.
Yes, it is, because once you put the snap ring in, the snap ring is literally ineffective. And when you go to put this in, you have the Hercules Ring on the clutch hub. You drop the frictions and steels and the pressure plate down in the transmission case, and you take this and you work it back and forth, dropping it down on the frictions until it's all the way down.
So, Bill, I noticed we had a couple when you were doing the design of it. It was actually where it had, before you went to the ring, it was eating inside of like it right there. And it'd be nice, because that would eat into it, right?
Oh, yes.
I don't know if the camera can see, but you're going to see around the lip here where it's actually dug into it. Now, what the ring will do will reinforce it, and it will eliminate that from twisting.
It won't let.
What happens, the top of it flares out, and then allows the lugs of it to bypass it right into it.
Yeah.
Wow.
I mean, I saw this for years, building heavy duty and performance 4R100s. And honestly, until I came to work for WIT, because of my job function, I never really had time to create a fix. And that's one of the mandates that I had that you gave me, is think of new things for the market and how we can better serve our customers.
Very good, Bill.
The Hercules Ring.
And I noticed you got patent pending on there, and
Yes.
I noticed you got our part number on there. So Bill, when would these actually hit the market?
The rings are done. As you see here, we're going to be selling this as a kit. And the kit is going to be exactly what I'm holding in my hand. It is going to be the reverse clutch hub with the ring. And if your clutch hub has been destroyed, so be it. If it's not destroyed, you send back your old one and you get a core credit refund. They are going to be available in about a week and a half.
Wonderful. Gotcha.
They're at the machine shop being drilled. We were thinking about letting the shop drill the holes to set the ring at the proper depth. And I decided to eliminate any possibility of a mistake. We went ahead and did it for them.
And it just takes work off the shop. When they get
That's
it done,
right.
it's ready to go. And we all know that time is money for everyone.
That's right.
And the reinforcement is what's amazing to me. It kind of takes that flare out of the picture, doesn't it?
It totally.
Now, Bill, when you go to set the screws in there, I'm sure you'll go with some kind of lock.
You can Loctite them.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there's I know you've tested this really well, and they don't back out.
No, they do not.
Wonderful.
And you can't, the way we've made the ring, the holes are countersunk to a specific depth, so you can't over tighten the set screw. We've made it,
It has a stop built in it.
yeah, as easy to install as possible.
Wonderful. Well, these two are going to be for my trophy case. Bill has done an outstanding job designing new parts, and it's definitely making it better for the industry, right, Bill?
I think so.